everybody, welcome back to another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. On today's episode, I want to try to make Dippin Dots. I don't know if you've ever had these. They're typically found at amusement parks. So I remember as a kid going to this amusement park called Lagoon in Salt Lake City, Utah, and they always had Dippin Dots. This was a treat that I only got maybe once a year, maybe once every couple years, because it wasn't found or served anywhere else. So when I saw this at Target the other day, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this. Dippin Dots are essentially like little tiny balls of ice cream. It's kind of a strange treat if you've never had it before. So I'm really excited to see if not only does this actually work, but if it's going to bring me back to those childhood memories on a hot summer day eating some Dippin Dots. I have not even opened up this box yet. I have no idea how this little machine is gonna work. So we got some instructions, we got some equipment, we got this little thing. Okay, some trays. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down over here. Now, let's see how this works. I mean, for $20, if this actually works, I'm gonna be really, really impressed. So it looks like we've got some trays for the Dippin Dots. Oh, we got little spoons. Wait a minute. Does it not come with the syrup? I may have to go to the store and get, what? Okay, so it didn't come with what to mix it with? Hang on. Okay, so it doesn't come with any of the ingredients to make the Dippin Dots. Okay, so we're gonna assemble and I'm gonna run to the store and yeah, then we'll make some Dippin Dots. That's hilarious. Okay, so I just did a Google search looking for recipes for Dippin Dots, and apparently there's like a flavor pack that's sold separately. It doesn't tell you that on the box. So as I'm Google searching this, Amazon has a bunch of horrible reviews because it doesn't come with flavor packs. So you open it up and you literally just get the machine, kind of like the surprise I just had. So if you're gonna purchase this for your child, make sure that you understand that. So other people have come out with recipe hacks. And so what we are going to do, we are going to use some amazing ice cream flavors and we're gonna make Dippin Dots with ice cream. Let's go ahead and assemble this, but we need to melt the ice cream first. So we are going to be using 2 ice cream flavors, courtesy of Eric the Electric. I'm just gonna set these aside and let these soften up a little bit because we are going to use them to make our Dippin Dots. So this is actually probably gonna be a lot more tasty anyway. All right, let's figure out how to, oh, okay, so these are to eat the Dippin Dots. Okay, that's pretty cute. This is the tray that you sit the Dippin Dots in. This right in there. And then I assume we're gonna put the melted ice cream in here. Okay. Wait a minute, what? Okay. Yeah, got it so far. These are probably the worst instructions I've ever seen. Oh, what are these? So you can do it with the machine or you can do it by hand. I'm not doing it by hand, so. Okay. I think we got a handle on this. So does it just like fill in? I have no idea. Let's get our ice cream ready. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but oh, there's actually pretty bubbles on that. Okay, here we go. Okay, we just want this to be like liquidy. I have no idea. Sometimes I feel like they make these child things like really, really difficult. Okay. Put that in place. Okay, so there's like a little valve. Okay, that's open. All right, here goes nothing. All right, so this is going like slow-mo. I don't know if you can like, I don't feel like you can squeeze that though, so We're just gonna let it drip, I guess. We're gonna be here a while, so I'll see you guys in a few minutes. We're still here. I did throw it back in the microwave just to make it more liquidy, and that definitely seemed to help. It's working. It is working. It's just, you know, I guess all good things take time. Okay, so the tray is successfully filled. Take that out. Yeah, I think it's all the way full. Into the freezer this one goes. All right, let's try the Funfetti ice cream. So the cool part about Dippin Dots is that they come with like flavor combos. So you could get one that is like banana split. So if you wanted to do that, you would need to make 3 different types of, you know, you'd have to fill 3 different ones. You'd want to do a vanilla ice cream, a chocolate ice cream, and then a banana flavored ice cream. That way, when you mix them up, you get that flavor combo. So that's essentially how Dippin Dots work. But if I were to do this next time, I would do 3 different flavors of ice cream. So, all right, into the microwave it goes. What I'm going to make sure is that it is very, very liquidy, because that was the mistake for the first one. So this next one should go by a lot faster. Okay, that filled a lot faster, but it didn't fill it all the way, so I'm gonna melt more ice cream. Oh, maybe we don't need this. I didn't realize there was more up in here. I think it's full. We didn't need the extra ice cream. I was just, didn't come out all the way. What the heck, we'll make 2 trays. Into the freezer it goes. To be completely honest, I don't understand the whole point of this step unless it's just for like, for fun, I guess. I don't know, but I'm gonna bypass it this time and just pour this straight into the funnel. All right, we got some leakage. I'm just gonna stay there. What? Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Okay, this whole thing just came off. All right, I'm calling this good enough. I'm done. I'm done with this. All right, last tray into the freezer. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna give those about an hour to freeze, and then we'll open it up and see if the, you know, the Dippin Dot works and if it was worth the $20 and the sticky mess. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. All right, you guys, these have been in the freezer for about 4 hours. I checked them every hour and they were still just like pure liquid. And so I think they've got some shape now to them. So I wanna pop these open and see if it works. I just have a bad feeling. Okay, kind of. Okay, that's not exactly what Dippin Dots. I just have a feeling if I scrape this off, it's just gonna like, they're not gonna be little, yeah, I don't even know how you get this out. Okay, let's try this one. Basically the same thing. Okay, so this one looks better. This one looks more promising. Okay, so this one, I think these ones will actually like pop out of the tray. They're coming out in like sheets. This is not working. Oh no, this is not right. So I guess there you have it. You guys, I'm gonna chalk this up to a not worth it, at least the way that I had to do that. I mean, if I were to get a hold of the flavor packs and see if it actually works that way, I may have to try it again. But as of now, I would look for Dippin Dots and just spend the money on the legit stuff. I would save your money on the machine and look for the legit stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this one a big thumbs down. But you know, at least it was fun. Now, I need to know down in the comments below if you liked that I tried this kid-friendly hack, and if there's any ideas that you have down below for me to try next. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Anyway, even though this was super painful, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Tastes just like ice cream.